Keynote Device Anywhere Test Center Enterprise Monitoring is a software product that allows you to monitor your mobile applications and websites on real mobile devices. With TCE monitoring, you can design and schedule monitoring scripts against your production mobile services. Our easily configurable scheduling interface allows you to be alerted to mobile outages in real time, as well as record transaction times to better understand your end user's mobile experience. TCE monitoring allows you to view your collected data and reports in a web interface in real time, complete with pass-fail results, as well as proofs such as screenshots and video. For this demo, we are going to show an example of a monitoring script being executed across two devices in two different markets. It will launch an application and perform the critical transaction of signing into the app. Clicking on the Monitor Anywhere view brings you to the visual scripting interface, where you can create a monitoring test by dragging script commands onto the scripting pane. Here we'll open a test case that has previously been created, which executes the sign-in test across two devices. The test case is a device-independent script, including logic and action calls. With this powerful scripting structure, you can create one test case that works across all devices, while allowing for device-level differences in navigation, rendering, and hardware features. Once a working test case is developed, you can create independent schedules for each device. Selecting Scheduling under the Monitor Anywhere section will bring up the configuration for schedules, as well as alerting and transaction procedures and policies. Here you can define unique alerts for each of your test cases and transactions, as well as define escalation procedures when a monitor begins failing. Alerts allow you to define specific severities and actions that will be executed when a monitor policy is violated. For example, the Network Down alert has been assigned a critical severity and has been configured to send out an email each time the policy is violated until the incident is resolved. The email subject and body can be completely customized and will automatically include a link to the failed run, including screenshots of each critical transaction. A monitor policy can then be created to determine when and how this alert will be triggered. Escalation levels can be defined across multiple error categories and error codes to ensure alerts are only sent out for the specific error codes that pertain to the critical mobile services being monitored. Defining a schedule for your monitor is a simple process. Start by choosing the monitor script, then select the device and the location of execution. You can then define a frequency and schedule for your monitor. Once defined, click the Enable Monitor button to start your monitor. The monitor will then start running at the defined frequency and will collect results and alert you to failures automatically. You can then view your running monitors in real time by accessing the Monitoring Dashboard. The dashboard will show you all of your currently running monitors, as well as the status of each, including the trend of your last 10 runs. Selecting a monitor will bring you to the detailed view, allowing you to view the overall success rate and health of that particular monitor. The failure summary will point out which errors have been encountered throughout the day, and the transaction summary will report the statistics of any critical transactions you are timing. Selecting a failure will allow you to see a detailed report of each instance of that failure, including the exact time it occurred. By drilling down further, you can examine a detailed report of each step of the monitor, along with the screen of the device when the failure was encountered. From the transaction summary, each transaction can be graphed based on performance or availability and can be separated by device or location to quickly determine differences in specific markets, as well as specific mobile device platforms. The Keynote Device Anywhere platform is architected for maximum flexibility, so you can deploy it to fit your business needs. This includes your own dedicated private devices available either on-premise or securely hosted by Keynote Device Anywhere, as well as the option of local devices plugged directly into your computer.